one of the key tools that we use when we are writing the JavaScript code is the developer tools. Every browser has the developer tools, and to open from the Chrome you can click the three dots, more tools, then developer tools. There is a shortcut which makes the life very easy as we use this tool very frequently. So I'm gonna open it, and the first tab I see is the element. Element is displaying us the HTML structure, and while clicking the element individually you can make modification. You can either edit the HTML, and let's make it h2, or just double clicking and editing the content within the element. Let's call it hello test world test. So see, it changed it immediately. You can even apply CSS as well. Color, let's call it blue. See, it's very useful tool. Definitely you're gonna be needing more. I'm gonna explain it more detailed within the next courses. And the console is one of the key thing we use as well. We can see the errors from the console and also make some amendments. Even use a console.log is outputting into the console. Call it hello world again. Let's see what will happen. See, it outputs into the console. You can even do some mathematical stuff as well. Multiplied for 8, and even make an alert. Hello. You can even get some confirmation. So plenty stuff that we can do. Network tab is definitely another one that we are going to use, but we will go into the detail later on the next lessons.